Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Trinh, we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A10. So I got this product from Amazon for $130, $130 from Amazon. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking this phone out, but before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Samsung Galaxy A10. Here's what the phone looks like. The phone comes with a 6.1 Infinity V display with a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. And the back side of the camera comes with a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash. Love the presentation from Samsung. Let's take a look on the sides of the box. So here's this one side of the box that says Samsung Galaxy A10. Nothing printed on this side of the box. And let's take a look at the bottom side of the box. The bottom side of the box is a barcode that you can look up on Amazon. And with that being said, let's take a look on the back side of the box. So here's the back side of the box. So this is the 32GB Samsung Galaxy A10. As you can see here, this has the Infinity V display. It has the 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel camera, and this is a slim design phone. So here's all the other information that you need to know. This has 4G LTE octa-core processor. This has a 6.2 full rectangular or 6.1 rounded corners. Resolution is 720 by 1520. This has a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. This has a 32 memory and 2 GB of RAM. Here's all the other information. The screen size is 6.2 in full rectangular and 6.1 with accounting for the rounded corners. Available memory capacity is subject to preloaded software. This device supports Knox products that you can purchase separately. You can look this up online at samsungknox.com, and for more information you can always check their website. So it's secured by Knox. This has SIM Duo and has Samsung services. Here's all the other information for my international viewers. And with that being said, let's finally unbox the Samsung Galaxy A10. So I have my X-Acto knife ready to go. And let's finally unbox the Samsung Galaxy A10. So all we have to do is cut through these seals. Do not accept if seal is broken. So cutting through the seal. Maybe I should have changed my X-Acto blade, but it is what it is for now. Hopefully that cuts through. And here's the second seal. And yeah, so let's finally pull this out of its sleeve. And here it is, Samsung. Love the presentation. So here's the presentation once you open up the box. Here's the phone itself, Samsung Galaxy A10. We'll look at that later. But first, let's take out all the reading materials. If I can get this out, it should be easy to get out, but something is in the way. There's a tab in the way. And there's one more inside. And yeah, so here's your reading materials. Here's your quick start guide. This is, you can see the model number right there, SMA105G. And let's open this up. So here's the package contents. This comes with a device, USB cable, ejection pen, USB power adapter, and a quick start guide. And here's all the other information. Here's the device layout. You have the front camera, SIM card, memory card tray, installing a nano SIM card and a microSD card. And here's how you charge the battery of the phone. And let's finally take a look on what's behind. So there's more information behind. Here's how you use the home button, and here's all the safety information. And yeah, so let's fold this back up. Here's one for a different country, and here's your warranty card. Comes in a different language for other countries. And here's your product warranty guide. And that's pretty much about it for your reading materials. So let's get that out the way and finally take a look at what's left inside the box. So here's the phone itself, the Samsung Galaxy A10, as advertised, Infinity V display, 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel camera, and a slim design phone. Here's the back side of the phone. We'll take a look at that later. And here's all the other stuff inside the box. Here you will get your headphones. And to be honest, these Samsung headphones seems pretty cheap that you'd find like at a dollar store. So at least you have the Samsung branding with a button. And I know for on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the S10, you get the AKG headphones, which are pretty good. But these headphones are like super cheap. So here's your USB charging cable. And this is a micro USB charging cable, not USB Type-C. And here's your USB power adapter. And one last thing is the SIM ejection tool. So let's clear the table and focus on the Samsung Galaxy A10. So here it is. Here's the Samsung Galaxy A10. Here's the back side and front. And let's finally pull off the tab. That's not the way you pull it off, I think, since it should be easy. Oh, yeah, there's a tab right there. So, yeah, so here's the Samsung Galaxy A10. Taking out of its protective sleeve. And yeah, so here it is in its full glory. Here's the back side. So what I'm going to do is power this on for the first time. As you can see, Samsung Galaxy A10 secure by Knox, powered by Android. So what I'm going to do is set this phone up and we'll go through the phone together. So I've already set up my phone. All you have to do is swipe up to unlock, or you can use the 5 megapixel front facing camera to unlock with your face. Here you have your power button, volume buttons on that side of the phone. On the bottom side, here you have your mic, micro USB port, and an aux jack. On the left side of the phone, here you have your tray for your SIM tray and to insert your microSD card. And you get another mic on the top of the side of the phone, and here's the back side of the phone. So here's your 13 megapixel camera with LED flash and your speaker grill. And to scroll down, here's all your apps that is preloaded once you set up your phone. And yeah, so that's about it. So if you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this phone. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh, and I'll see you on the next one.